Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to trim and cut video in Premiere Pro. For this I add few footage in Premiere Pro timeline. Here is the footage. I add 3 footage to show the example. So see my mouse cursor. When I hover my mouse cursor into the end of the clips or first of the clips, my mouse cursor is changing. Can you notice it? See, it's showing an arrow. Okay, if I click and drag into left side, this video is cut. Also and drag into left side, this video is cut. Again click and drag here, video is cut. Okay, so then you can go to move tool, click here, right click, ripple delete, click here, right click, ripple delete. I think this is the easiest way to cut the footage from here. There is another and easy way. Press Ctrl C, mouse cursor is changing, it's going red to yellow. See, click and drag left side, video is cut. Click into right side, video is cut. Click and video cut into here. See, the video is cut. I hope this is the another easy way to cut the video. Go to the resize tool or press C from keyboard and cut the footage here. Again here, or you can click here, click here, click here, click here like this, and select the footage, press delete. Select the footage, press delete. Again select the footage, press delete. Okay, then copy the whole footage or clip, go to the sequence, close gap. Another easy way to cut the footage. Hover the mouse cursor in here. I want to delete the footage from first 0 second to 5 second. Okay, 5 second, 1 frame, right? 5 second from keyboard, Q 13 second to 17 second. I want to delete this footage and to go here, 13 second, 13 second, 13 second. Also press W. See, Q. Again play the video, Q. Again play the video, Q. Play the video into here, W. Okay, I use shuttle key, L for play, K pause the video, and press Q to cut the footage. Again press L to play the video, again L 2x faster, again L 3x faster, then press K to pause the video, press W, the video cut. Again press L to play the video, press K to pause the video, press Q to delete the first part. Okay, you can cut the footage this way. Okay, hope this helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.